Horses' bodies have an innate healing ability. If you want your horse to live a fulfilling, happy, joyful life, you need to let their inner nature shine. How can you? By balancing your horse's nature. Have your horse go from this to this. You can learn to bring balance to your horse's energetic body through the 5 elements. Amplify your horse's vitality, tap into their peak performance mode, expedite healing, promote soundness of body, mind, and spirit, bring joy, peace, contentment, and confidence to your horse. I can teach you how. Through a healing system that combines soft touch, acupoints, and essential oils. Learn more by visiting acupointtherapies.teachable.com, Balancing Your Horse's Nature. Balance your horse's nature by discovering and invigorating your horse's constitutional element. You can bring balance to their core being for a calm, centered life full of vitality.